In this video, we're going to show you how to use the /cost command to check API spending in Claude Code. When you're actively using Claude Code for development, debugging, or automation tasks, every request you make contributes to your overall usage. In some workflows, especially heavy coding sessions or repeated iterations, this usage can add up quickly. If you're not tracking it, you may only notice the cost impact after you've already used a significant portion of your quota or budget. That's where the /cost command becomes extremely useful. It gives you a quick way to understand how much you've been using Claude Code so far and helps you stay aware of your consumption patterns. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to check your usage quickly and use that information to manage your workflow more efficiently. So let's get started. The first method is to use the /cost command directly inside Claude Code. Open your Claude Code environment and type /cost, then press Enter. Claude will display your current usage information, which typically includes details about how much you've spent or consumed during the current session or time period. This gives you a clear snapshot of your activity and helps you understand how intensive your current workflow has been. If you notice that your usage is increasing quickly, it may be a good time to optimize your prompts or break your tasks into smaller requests. This helps reduce unnecessary consumption and keeps your workflow more efficient. You can run the /cost command at any time during your session to monitor usage in real time. In most situations, this is all you need to do. Now let's quickly recap what we covered. First, open Claude Code and use the /cost command. Second, review your current API usage or spending information. And third, use that data to adjust your workflow if needed. Remember that tracking usage is an important part of working efficiently with AI tools, especially handling large or repetitive tasks. Being aware of your cost patterns can help you make better decisions about how to structure prompts and manage long sessions. It also helps you avoid unexpected usage spikes and keeps your workflow more predictable. A simple habit of checking your cost regularly can significantly improve your control over AI-assisted development work. And that's how to use the /cost command to check API spending in Claude Code. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who use Claude and other AI tools. Your support helps us create more tutorials, productivity guides, and practical AI workflows to help you get better results from your projects. If there's another Claude Code feature or workflow you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.